Hi students, good morning all of you. Today, now discuss question 6. Prove that the length of the perpendicular from any point on the bisector of an angle to the sides are equal. This is very important question. Always come for exam. This question repeatedly. Therefore, you want to study thoroughly this question. Then, what is the question? Prove that the length of the perpendiculars from any point on the bisector, bisector BE. Take any point on the bisector here or any, but I take here at one point E. An angle to the sides are equal. Sides are equal. Therefore, take any point that perpendicular distance to the any side of the sides of the triangle are. Question. Prove that the length of the perpendicular from any point on the bisector of an angle to the sides are equal. How to prove? This is a very important question. It is come for exam always. Therefore, want to study this thoroughly. Therefore, here, what is want to prove? Here, perpendicular distance are equal from any point on the bisector. Therefore, we want to prove EF equal to EG. Then, any proof, you want to prove two triangles are equal. Therefore, now consider two triangles. What are the triangles consider? BGE, BFE. Two triangles want to consider. Therefore, given DE is an angle bisector. You are already given BE is an angle bisector. Angle bisector means angles are divided into equal portion. Then these two angles are equal. Then we want to construct, draw EF perpendicular to AB. Similarly, draw EG perpendicular to BC. EF perpendicular to AB, EG perpendicular to BC. Consider two triangles. Then already you are prove or give up. These two angles are equal. What are the angles? BGE equal to BFE. BGE 90 degree. BFE 90 by construction. Then B is equal to BE. B is equal to BE common side. Then already given FBE equal to GBE angle bisector. B is an angle bisector. Therefore, one angle is given. This is by construction. Therefore, third angle also equal. What is the condition? Third angle BEG equal to BEF. Therefore, angle sum property. Angle sum property. Two angles are equal. Third angle is also equal. Reason sum of the angle is 180. Then two triangles BGE, BFE are equal. Reason two angles and included sides are equal. Therefore, ASA. Reason ASA. Triangles are equal. Therefore, corresponding part GE equal to EF. CPET. Corresponding part of equal triangle. Therefore, GE, PE are equal means the perpendicular distance of EF and GE are equal. എന്താണ് ഇവിടെ പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറഞ്ഞത്? ഒരു ആംഗിൾ തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ആംഗിളിന്റെ ബൈസെക്ടർ വരച്ചിട്ട് ആ ബൈസെക്ടർ ഏതെങ്കിലും ഒരു പോയിന്റ് എടുത്ത് പെർപെൻഡിക്കുലർ ലൈൻ വരച്ചാൽ ആ പെർപെൻഡിക്കുലർ ലൈൻ എപ്പോഴും എന്തായിരിക്കും? ഈക്വൽ ആയിരിക്കും. അത് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യാൻ രണ്ട് ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ഈക്വൽ ആണെന്ന് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യാം. അതിൽ ആദ്യം നമുക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ ഇത് രണ്ടും ഈക്വൽ ആണ് തന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇത് കൺസ്ട്രക്ഷൻ 90-90 എന്ന് തന്നു. ഇത് കോമൺ ആണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് മൂന്നാമത്തെ ആംഗിൾ ഈക്വൽ ആയി. അപ്പൊ ട്രയാങ്കിൾ എന്തായി? ഈക്വൽ ആവും. ട്രയാങ്കിൾ ഈക്വൽ ആവുമ്പോൾ കറസ്പോണ്ടിങ് ആയിട്ടുള്ള സൈഡ്സ്. The picture shows a rectangle divided into two parts. Instead of the broken line separating these parts, draw a straight line to divide the rectangle into other parts of the same area. Calculate area of the part. This is the question. One rectangle is given. It is divided two parts using broken line. Want to use this broken line is, instead of broken line, use a straight line and divide into equal parts. Area we want to equal, not change the area. Therefore, here using a condition, all triangle have same base and third vertex lying on the parallel lines are same area. This concept is using and draw a base. Draw a base. Then draw a parallel line through the third vertex. Through the third vertex. That meeting point and draw a triangle. Therefore, this triangle area equal to this triangle. Base are same. Base of the two triangle have same. Third vertex is lying on the parallel. Therefore, area of triangles are equal. Similarly, calculate the area of these parts. Therefore, consider one part is this, other part here. Therefore, first part is divided into two trapezium. Left portion, consider the left part as trapeziums. Left part as a trapeziums. First trapezium and second trapezium. This trapeziums parallel lines 1 cm and 3 cm. Height total 3. Here up to 2. Therefore, bar remaining portion 1. 3 minus 2, 1. Height is 1. Therefore, two parallel lines 1 and 3. Height between the parallel lines 1. Then area of trapezium half into height into parallel sides A plus B. Half into height is 1. Parallel sides 1 plus 3. Half into 1 into 1 plus 3, 4. 2, 4 has 2 times. Therefore, cancel and write 2 centimeter square. Therefore, area of trapezium is 2 centimeter square. Then second trapezium, parallel sides are 3 and 2. Distance between them 2. Therefore, area of trapezium half into height into A plus B. Half into height 2. Parallel sides 3. 2. 3 plus 2, 5. Therefore, total half into 2 into 5. 2 cancel and write 5 centimeter square. Then total area of the left side 2 plus 5. Here 2 centimeter square. Here 5 centimeter square. Total 7 centimeter square. Therefore, area of the first part 7 centimeter square. Then want to find out second portion. How to write second part? Find out the area of second portion. Total area of rectangle minus area of this part, we get area of second part. Therefore, first find the rectangle. What is the area of rectangle? We are already studied. What is the area of the rectangle? Length into breadth. Length is 5 centimeter. Breadth is 3 centimeter. Therefore, area is 5 into 3, 15 centimeter square. Therefore, want to find the second portion. Area of second part, total 15 centimeter. One portion 7 centimeter. 15 minus 7, 8 centimeter square. This is the area of second portion. The first portion 7 and second part is 8 centimeter square. This is the division area of the two portions. Then here, or one person is like broken line and divided to two parts. That broken line is changes into straight line. How to straight line? Draw parallel lines to the text, and that meeting points